Hi guys, so welcome to Video Jam 84, and today we are going to talk about the miner which is recently, I think just a day or 2 days back, it just showed up. It is launched by Baikal. The name of the ASIC miner is Giant N. This is a really awesome miner. I just looking at the specifications of this miner, I really am very much impressed with the kind of results it is showing. Looking at the power efficiency this miner is built on. So one of my associates from China just buzzed me today morning, and he showed me the specs of this miner and the pricing and everything. They are ready to ship these miners in 7 days. They have ready stock available. So let's talk about this miner. So this Baikal Giant N works on two algorithms, which is Cryptonight and Cryptonite Lite. The hash rate this gives us is 20 kilo hashes, and the power consumption is really low. It is just 60 watts. So if you are assuming 60 watt is like nowadays LEDs and all are there, but it's just like a light bulb, nothing much, considering the consumptions which we see in the other miners. 700 watts, 800, 1800, very high. If you compare with the S9, yes, that is very high power consumption, and here the power consumption is very low. So now what all we can mine with this miner? Yes, these are the coins which are mineable by this miner. What takes my interest here is the Electroneum, because this is the one coin which I feel very positive about, and as all the people around. This particular coin is going to be the best coin of 2018, as I believe. There's already a video by how to mine Electroneum on a GPU rigs, but after looking at hardwares like Baikal Giant N, I did believe that people would find a GPU mining much interesting after looking at the returns you can get from this particular miner. Because and you look at the noise levels, they're so less, 60 decibels. It's barely any noise. And so now if we compare the specifications of this miner, so if I go to what to mine, this is already I've keyed in the data in what to mine. So for Cryptonite it would be 20,000 hashes per second, 60 watts of power consumption. Cost, I have kept the cost of electricity as per India, which is it's 0.12 US dollars. Pool fee, this is preset to 15 because they also do the negative luck offset to this. And I have also mentioned the hardware cost. So the cost of this miner shown on the website is 3600 US dollars, and if you buy it from asicminermarket.com, then you have to pay extra 200, but you will save some days. The associate I have, so I asked him the price for which I can get it in India. The price was somewhere around 4200, so I have kept a price band of 4000 US dollars, which may vary depending on the area from where you are ordering it. Once we calculate these things, so here are the results. And if you look at the results, so maybe people would like to see this in dollars, but what I believe is that the units of Electroneum which I'm going to get in an hour or a day, that's what counts more, because the price is going to go up. So if you see, you can in a day you can get somewhere around 497 Electroneum with this hardware, and electricity cost, you can see this very less. So looking at this equation, this Giant N seems to be a very awesome option. So if somebody wants to start the mining and they're planning to buy out an ASIC, so that's it. If current statistics, this is, so it's going to pay back in around say 160 days. So that is it on Electroneum. If you compare it with Monero, 20,000 hashes, similar statistics. Hardware cost, let me again put it 4,000, calculate, and we see the results. Yes, You can see in a week's time you can get a half of a Monero mined by this machine. So it's somewhere around $21 as per today's standards, considering on Monero, and approximate $25 on Electroneum. So I've done a quick comparison with a GPU rig. If you set up and you install 10606 cards, so on a Cryptonight, what you're going to get, you're going to get Electroneum at 61 units in 24 hours. That's, and if you compare it with looking at this, the difference is quite high. So that is it, guys. This sweet little miner is going to, I think if companies are going to make such specific miners targeting, so this is going to really change the world of mining, because the complexity, the difficulty is going to shoot up like anything, and it would be a difficult phase for the miners who are on GPUs. Yes, because these are dedicated specific hardwares made for mining, and GPUs are not specifically, even there are some GPUs which are specifically designed for mining, still they won't be able to compete up with the ASICs. GPUs have their own versatility and ASICs have their own limitations, but looking at an equation that to run a machine on 60 watt and giving such outputs is really awesome job. That's it. If you like this this informative video, you can subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up. Thanks you guys, thanks a lot for watching.